ओके फाइन। आज हम हिंदी सब्जेक्ट सिखाऊंगी। हिंदी में आप सब लोगों ने आ से आ तक लिखने के लिए भी सीखा और पढ़ने के लिए भी सीखा होंगे, राइट। आज टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू once again a to aha, a to aha and ka to shra. Children, you all know what do we call a to aha as? Do you remember what do we call a to aha as? Yeah, it is called as swar. What do we call? Swar, right? This is called as swar. Okay, from ka to ha, what they call, children? They call it as vyanjan. What do we call? Vyanjan. Right? This is called as vyanjan. And the other ksha to shra, what do we call? It is called as samyukt akshar. Okay? Samyukt akshar. We will call it as samyukt akshar. Swar in English it is called as vowels. Right? Vyanjan it is called as consonants, right? And samyukt akshar as conjuncts. I have taught you in the first class itself. I have given this introduction to shra. There are actually 50, I have said 50 letters overall I have said, but actually there are 52 letters, but the 2 letters is not seen here. You will learn only this 50 letters in Varnamala. For you all it is there only 50 letters. Okay children. Now I am going to read it once again for you. पढ़ेंगे? Ready आप? आइए. आ ई ई उ ऊ री ए आई ओ औ aha. These many classes you have learned how to read and write the swar, right? Again, once again, a e u ri e I o au aha. Okay children, the next it is vyanjan. Next, after learning the swar, हम लोग व्यंजन कैसे लिखेंगे उसे मैं बताऊंगी। ख ख घ घ ञ, छ छ झ झ न, ठ ठ ध ध न, थ थ ध ध न, फ फ भ भ म, य र ल व श श स ह. This is called as vyanjan. Ksha tra gya shra. This letter is shra. Okay. Now you have to say the pictures related to this letter. Related to this letter you have to say the words. I have taught you in your textbook. Now again I am going to recall it. This is your textbook, right children? Okay. You have to open the page 5. It starts from page 5. I am going to read it again. You have to learn orally first how to read. Okay. Now see, this is letter A. A से अनार. अनार यानी pomegranate. A से अखबार. अखबार यानी newspaper. A से अजगर. अजगर means python, a big snake. आ से आठ. आठ यानी 8. आ से आम. आम यानी मैंगो. आ से आदमी. आदमी यानी man. Children, in the last classes I have told you to write or trace these letters under the given letter. There are letters which you have to trace on it. So you have to finish up till A to aha tracing, right? Now again children, which is this letter? देखो ये लेटर ई है. ई से ईडा. ईडा यानी goddesses. ई से इलायची. इलायची यानी cardamom. ई से इमली. इमली यानी tamarind. Next a big E. E से ईटी. ईटी यानी spear. ई से ईश्वर. ईश्वर यानी God. E से eat. Eat यानी brick. You have to trace the letters, right? Then the next letter is U. Letter U. U से उटज. उटज यानी hut. U से उपवन. उपवन यानी garden. U से उदर. उदर यानी stomach. It is a part of a body, right? Then ooh, ooh, it's a big ooh. Ooh से uru. Uru यानी ताई. ऊ से ऊन. ऊन यानी उल. ऊ से ऊंट. ऊंट means camel that lives in the desert. Okay, next we are going to the next letter. Letter R. Okay, letter R. R से रिक्श. रिक्श यानी बैल. री से ऋषभ. ऋषभ यानी ऑक्स. ऋषि. ऋषि यानी सेंट. नेक्स्ट लेटर ए. ए से एक. एक मीन्स वन. नंबर वन. ए से एक तरह. इट्स एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट, म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. इट लुक्स लाइक सितार. ए से एडी. एडी मीन्स it is heel, part of a leg. Okay, it's a heel. The next letter after A, what will come children? I. Letter I. I say ainak. Ainak यानी spectacles. I say Aya. She is a old woman. I say Airavat. Airavat यानी elephant. Next letter it is O. Letter O. O से owned. Owned means lips. O से O's. It is dew. Do you know what you mean by dew? The water, little drops of water which fall on the leaf early in the morning. If your eyes and see, you will see the dewdrops on the leaves itself. So that is called as O's. O से Ozar. Ozar यानी calf. Calf means it is a baby animal of cow. Yes, it's a baby animal of cow. Ozar. Right. After letter O, it is letter Au. Au से औजार. औजार means tools. औ से औरत. औरत यानी women. औ से औषध. औषध means medicine. Then am से अंकुर. अंकुर यानी sprouts. am से अंग. अंग यानी shirt which you wear, right? Am से अंगूठा. अंगूठा means there is a thumb finger. Am से अंगूठा. Then the letter aha. Aha means how do you laugh children? It is a big laugh. Okay children, here there are words or letters under each picture. Okay, you have to trace up till aha. Okay children, next I will show you how to write in the textbook. Okay. Okay, write the date 27/7/2020. Children, in last class I taught you how to write in the classwork, match the letter, match the picture, circle the odd one out, all that, right? Then I am going to the next main, match the same letter. This is match the same letter. Okay children, this is match the same letter. Write letter, leave one line, write letter A. This is letter A. Then write letter Re. This is letter Re. Then letter I. You have to write one by one. Don't leave any space in the between. Okay. After letter I, it is letter O. Okay, then letter you have to match the same letter. Then the letter is E. Then the letter is letter A. Okay, here you can write letter E. Parents, you have to help the children in writing these questions. Okay, now write letter A, then write letter Ru, Re, then it is I have mixed the letters, children. You have to search the same letter and match it. Okay, I have written the letter now. Right? Now take a scale for matching the same letter. Which is this letter, children? This is letter A. Where is letter A here? Where is letter A here? So you have to match the same letter with the scale. Right? This is letter Re. Where is letter Re, children? Here. You have to match the letter Re. Which is this letter, children? This letter is I. Okay, this is letter I. Where is I here? It is here. Now you can match this. Okay. Then, which is this letter, children? So where is here? It is here. So you can match directly. Then, which is this letter? E. This letter is E. Where is E? Here. E. You have to match letter E. Right? Which is this letter? This letter is A. Big A. So you have to match big A. Right, children? Same thing you have to write in homework book also. Again I will teach you. This is letter A. Where is letter A? Here. Then this is letter Re. Here. This is letter Re. You have to match the same letter. O. Where is letter O? Where is letter O? Here it is. Here it is. Letter O. Okay. Which is this letter? Is here. You have to match. This is letter E. Where is E? Letter A. This is letter A. Which is this letter, children? A. This letter is A. So I match the same letters. Where the letters are there, you have to match this. Okay, children? Children, this is your textbook. Okay, this is your Hindi textbook, Hindi Bhasha Shravanti. Open the textbook, page number 11. This is page number 11. Here, after aha, this here you have to see here. Pado or likho. This is textbook exercise. Okay, pado or likho means read and write. They have given swar here. You have to write. See, children, what is this? This is letter A. So I am going to write letter A in this box. The same thing again I will repeat. Letter A. Write neatly inside the box. The next it is A. It is big A. Right? A. Okay. Again write big A. Then what is this letter, children? E. Right? E. This is letter E. Next what is there? E. This is letter E. This is letter E. Which is this letter, children? U. This is letter U. Then U. U. This is letter U. Which is this letter? Re. Write letter Re. How to write letter Re? Ek khadi rekha. I have taught you slant rekha, और इधर एक थोड़ा सा कर्व लेके थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाना और एक शिरोरेखा. शिरोरेखा is very important. I have said you right. Then write here. Which is this letter? A. So write letter A. You have to write in page number 11. A. After letter A, it is I. I. This is letter I. Then letter O. O. This is letter O. You have to write it neatly in the textbook. Then Au. Au. Right, children? Then Then you have to write Aha. Right, children? This is letter Aha. Then I am going to the next page. The page number is 12. Page number is 12. Here, उचित अक्षरों से पूर्ति करो means write the missing letters. You have to write the missing letters. Here A is given. After that, which letter? Then E. E is given. After E, it is U. Right? After U, U is given here. Then Ru, Re. This is letter Re. After Re, A is given here. After A, I. Right? Letter I. After letter I, it is O. After letter O, it is Au. It is letter Au. Then Aha is given. Okay. The next main Pado or Siko. Read and learn. Once again I will teach you U. Which is this letter? U. This letter E. O. A. Aha. U. Re. E. Au. A. I. E. Okay, children. This one you have to identify the letter and say the letter name. Okay, children, you have to write in the classwork. Here you have to identify the pictures. Okay. See, children, you have to identify the pictures and say, what is this, children? Art. This eat. Art means number 8. Eat, it is a brick. Un yani ulan. Okay. This is Rishab. Rishab yani ox. Ainak, spectacles. Ankur, sprouts. Anar, it's a pomegranate. Imli, it's a tamarind. Uttaj, hut. Rich, it's a bear. This is what? Ozer, it's a calf. Anguti, angutha, this is thumb. This is arm. Okay, children, you have to learn all this. Thank you.